Welcome to Shadowing English Practice. Today you will practice real English sentences that beginners use every day. Don't translate, just listen carefully and repeat naturally. Speak clearly and stay relaxed. Every sentence will improve your pronunciation, listening, and speaking skills. Let's begin our English practice together. Good morning. I hope you are having a wonderful day. I feel happy because today is another chance to learn English. I enjoy learning new words and speaking with confidence. Every small step helps me improve. I believe that practice makes progress. And I never stop learning. I wake up early every morning because I like to start my day with positive energy. I drink a glass of water, make my bed, and get ready for the day. A healthy morning routine helps me stay focused and feel ready for new challenges. I enjoy meeting new people and making new friends. I always smile and say hello because kindness makes every conversation better. I listen carefully when people speak, and I answer politely. Good communication begins with respect and confidence. Learning English takes time, but I never give up. Every lesson teaches me something new. Every conversation helps me become more confident. I know that mistakes are normal, and every mistake helps me learn faster than before. Every new day is a chance to become better. I stay positive even when learning feels difficult. I listen carefully, repeat every sentence, and practice with confidence. I know that every minute of practice helps me speak English more naturally. I enjoy the journey because every small improvement is a success. I like talking with people in English. I ask simple questions and listen carefully to the answers. I smile, stay polite, and speak clearly. Every conversation helps me learn new words and better pronunciation. The more I speak, the more confident I become. My goals are simple. I want to understand English easily, speak with confidence, and communicate with people from around the world. I practice every day because I know that success comes from consistency. I never stop learning, and I always believe in myself. Shadowing is one of the best ways to improve English. I listen carefully, copy the pronunciation, and repeat naturally. I don't worry about mistakes because they help me improve. Every lesson makes my listening, speaking, and confidence stronger than before. Amazing job! You completed today's Shadowing English practice. Repeat this lesson again tomorrow and keep building your confidence. Daily practice will make your English sound more natural every week. Thank you for learning with me. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next Shadowing English practice. Have a wonderful day.